Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very delicious recipe, an easy breakfast recipe. All you need is 2 eggs. If you are new here, thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell that comes. Then you add milk. It depends with the amount of eggs that you are going to use. The amount of milk will also be determined. You add a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You're going to add a drop of vanilla essence or any other type of essence that you need, any flavor. Then you're going to beat the mixture well as shown. Make sure the eggs are mixed well. When everything is well mixed, you are going to need your slices of bread. You'll need a flat surface so that you can soak the bread well, or you can use a tray, anything of your choice. Soak your slices well. Make sure that all sides are well soaked as shown. So when you're done soaking, you just take your pan and heat it well. Afterwards, you add butter. Spread the butter well all over the pan. Thereafter, you just pick your 2 slices, or it depends with the size of your pan. You can put 3 or even 4. On a medium heat, just let the slices cook slowly, but you'll keep on checking whether the sides have turned into brown or golden brown, any color. When on the lower side is ready, you're going to change to the other side. You can even check on the sideways. Keep on checking the bread. You can even add butter when the pan is a bit of dry, so that the bread can cook well. My slices are turning golden brown. That's the color that I love. It looks just good on it. These breads just look delicious from the look. I hope you all try this recipe, and I hope you're going to enjoy my recipe because it's very good, very delicious. You can try it. It's a 5-minute breakfast. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, family. Thank you for watching, and hope for many videos to come. Bye.